once again, guys, to our EndNote video tutorial series. We hope you enjoyed the first 3 parts of our videos. This is going to be a very short one, teaching you how to do away with duplicated references in your EndNote library. So stay tuned. This is going to be very short, and we hope this is impactful. So we would notice that sometimes we do import references multiple times. We import the same references multiple times. When we go through our library here, we can see a reference from Benjamin and it's repeated itself several times. Sometimes this is a mistake that we do when we are importing our references. So to do away with this, EndNote has a very easy access point from which you can find and remove duplicates. So to remove duplicates from your EndNote library, first go to the tabs above and select Library. From the library context menu that pops up, you can see Find Duplicates. What you have to do is click on Find Duplicates. So EndNote is going to scan through your library and find all records that have been duplicated and give you the option to keep one of them. Okay, so if you can look at this, it's telling us that this record up here has been repeated 5 times and it's comparing 1 and 2 out of the 5. So what I do is decide to keep this record, and then it pops up with the next set. I keep this record, and I keep doing that. You have to keep this record until EndNote is done going through your whole library, finding all duplicates. So once we are done with this and we go back to our references, we can see that all the duplicates have disappeared. We hope you find this video useful. Stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe on our page.